everybody, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're doing good. And today we're going to make a Bulldozer toy. Okay, and this I got this idea from a show named Creative Galaxy, and you heard that show last time in the videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay. And I have a special guest. His name is, drum roll please, Back. You see him on the teacher video. Yes, on the teacher video. And I'm the one who made him talk. So the camera didn't show on me talking, just showed on the students. Okay, let's get started. I did some already. You take a car like this, then take some, it's okay if I have some bumpy patterns. I put this step, the rubber band step. It came already because it's kind of hard to do it for me. So I did it before showing you guys. So it should be like this, bottom down. Next. After you're done taking this and put the rubber band. Okay, I'm going to tell you the materials. Rubber band, you heard about it. And this thing, it's okay if it has bumpy patterns. And this wall you need. And Pete the cat. Pete the cat is in the story. Okay. First, then take this. I hope, oh no. You never do that. Again. This toy is from a story. Yay. Pete the cat. And I read the story. See? I don't know why it has a heart. Maybe this came on Valentine's Day. I got this toy. How I got this toy? It was in the school. I got a book order that I got. I can have a book order. So I take the toy of this, and I take the whole bunch of a box full of it. Then it came with this bendy Pete the cat toy. See? It was before the coronavirus starts. It was a very long time. But I was still in kindergarten. I'm still in kindergarten. But I have the day off for 3 weeks or 3 months. I don't know. I hope I don't do it. Ugh. I wish there's a way. This is kind of tricky, guys. So if you want, you can ask a grown-up for help. But I'm doing it by myself. Come on, please. I don't want to break this again. Put it under here. Oh, no. Okay, my dad is helping. Take this up. Then put the rubber band. Now done. You're done. See, guys? The rubber band's down there and the rubber band's down here. Then put the middle and voila! You're done! This is done. First, you take this toy that's okay, it has bumpy patterns to see through it. And the rubber band.
Can you put it inside?
In the side? Okay, this way. Here you can see other side, back, his butt. And this shiny. Okay, let's test out the toy. I will get Pete the cat to test out it. You can use this toy 2 ways. To drive it, room to carry Pete, and the second way to use it, you can dump Pete like that. See, Bulldozers can do it. That's why I call it the Bulldozer guy. It should be called a carrying Bulldozer guy. toy has 2 seats. Rice. Oh no, Pete! Why are you like that? You should hold tight. I need a seat belt. Yeah, let's do it quick. Dump, 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 dump.
Can you show a ride for Pete?
A ride for Pete? Okay. This is a pullback.
No, keep it in the middle.
Okay. We'll put it in the middle. And this car is a pullback racer. So you can pull back and it'll race. Okay. Maybe I'll work on this later. So don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like this experiment or toy experiment. Okay. Bye bye. And keep smiling. Oh yeah, I got toy experiment. Oh.